One eternity later.
Hey guys, I'm finished work for the day. It's just after 12. Just did half a day today. I'm going to go through the Dairy Queen drive-thru to get lunch because I have a gift card. And I also have to go, if you watched my vlog where we went to Fired Creations, it's like a pottery place. You have to leave them there and then pick them up at a later date when they're like out of the kiln or whatever it's called. I'm going to pick our things up, so I'll show you how my bowl turned out when I pick it up. Baby, let it come to you. I'm just in line at Dairy Queen waiting, but I picked up the things that we did at Fired Creations. I'm just gonna open them up. This one's Megan's. It's really cute. She put polka dots all over it. I don't know if you can see. It's cute. She puts them inside too. And then this one should be mine. Oh, it's kind of cute. I tried to make it so it looked like it had a chocolate drip down the side. And those are supposed to be sprinkles, but they kind of look like seeds. This is cute. And then Amy's turned out really good. It has a design on the side, so she put like darker paint in the design. And then inside the bowl, she has like a little frog or toad. I think it's a frog inside. It's cute. Hey guys, it's a bit later. I was just doing some computer stuff. I had to change my name for a few more things, and I had to make a couple appointments, and now it's much later. It's 20 after, oh my goodness, Chip. It's 20 after 4. It's getting dark out and it was snowing. So it's raining out now, not snowing. So it looks messy outside, but I don't know what we're gonna have for supper. We could have breakfast for supper, so that's probably what we'll do, but I don't want to think about that right now. So I'm just gonna sit down and watch some YouTube videos until Seamus gets home. I really want to go to the movie theater, but if he works tomorrow, I don't think he's gonna want to go anywhere. Every season lives outside of status quo. It's 10 to 6. Seamus and I are going to go to the movies. The movie is at 7:15, so we'll probably leave soon to get food if we're going to eat beforehand. We're going to see the movie Plane. I think Gerard Butler's in it. I'm not sure who else, but I'll insert the poster thing here. And yeah, we're going to go see that. We watched the trailer for it a few minutes ago, and Seamus said it looked good, so we're going to go see that. And I do have a coupon for the movies. It's like 2 tickets, 2 drinks, and a popcorn. Guys, we are home from the movies now, and I'm going to end this vlog here. The movie we saw, Plane, was really good. Give it a 10 out of 10, and I think Seamus said 10 out of 10 too. We're home with our Chippy man. Hi, Chippy. So I'm just going to sit down and edit this vlog, so if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me, and we'll see you again tomorrow.